Today, let me show you how to buy ETF on Robinhood for beginners. So if this is your first time trying to buy or trade ETF within the platform of Robinhood, in this video, let me show you on exactly how it is done. So within the application, you can simply search for the particular ETF that you're trying to trade or buy by tapping on the magnifying glass or the search icon on the top right. Or you can simply head over to this section where all of the ticker symbols are straight away visible. From this list, you can just select the ticker symbol that you're trying to trade. Once you're inside of a particular ETF, you'll be able to see the trade option being displayed on the bottom. You can simply tap on the buy option once you tap on trade, and you'll be able to choose from different type of orders such as market orders or limit orders depending upon what you want, and then you can invest in dollar amounts or shares. So you'll be able to see a section where you can enter in the exact dollar amounts or the total number of shares that you're trying to buy. So this is the exact process that you can follow, and once everything is done and once you place the trade, your trade should be filled within a few seconds. And once filled, Robinhood will display the confirmation screen and the ETF will also appear within your investing portfolio. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to buy ETF on the Robinhood platform. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.